Wintex air-powered bottle jacks are packed with features to increase their usability and reliability. These include an air filter, control valve, and air regulator. These jacks also utilize a screw-top extension for reaching high clearance vehicles. The manual pump and high-quality air motor on the back provide precise lifting control. Before being delivered, every jack is tested to ensure that each unit meets all of our quality standards. Even with all these features, every jack is bound to develop issues over time, so here's a look at some quick tips to keep your jack working at its full potential. If you experience issues with your jack, the first step would be to make sure that the nuts at the base of the manual pump and air motor are secured tightly. Any air releasing from these locations will cause the jack to lose pressure. The next step would be to check the oil level. This can be done by removing the oil fill plug. The oil reservoir should be filled to just below the hole. The last step is to release any air trapped in the jack. For this process, lay the jack down with the label facing up. Remove the release valve and inspect it for damage. You may also want to inspect the steel ball, but this is not required. Use the manual pump on the side to force any air bubbles out of the jack. Continue until no bubbles remain. You can use the air motor as well, but be careful not to spill out too much oil. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact us or your supplier. And be sure to always refer to your user manual for more detailed instructions.